Mr. Otis and his family traveled from London by train. Lady Eleanor de Canterville was murdered by her husband. Mrs. Umney opened her eyes. Virginia was afraid and stood beside her mother. The ghost had hurt his leg. He planned to touch them with his ice-cold hands in the dark. He left his secret room at midnight. He planned to make his face look as horrible as possible. The ghost took off his head and carried it under his arm.
A moment of clarity.
She put her hands over her face.
Triggered out of nowhere by the unexpected.
Her face was very pale and she carried a small box in her hand.
A stranger's laugh. The crisp morning air.
The ghost kissed her hand.